12 days of giveaways, returns, and today we have another prize from a company that has contributed for 3 years in a row now, and I just so appreciate their generosity. Because I have to tell you, I'm an affiliate with them, and I don't perform very well as an affiliate with them. I maybe shouldn't reveal that. They know it, but I'm just saying they're just so generous given that I don't really sell much with them, but still they contribute a prize every single year. So thank you so much, Vitamix, for offering a prize again this year. And you know, if you are in the market for a good quality blender, or in this case, immersion blender, you want to go to Vitamix. That's what one of you is going to win, their immersion blender, but it's not just the immersion blender stick, it's the full set with the mini food processor. I have some stuff going on here now and I'll show you. Mini food processor, which I use this a lot. So sometimes as a cookbook author, people say, what appliance do you use the most? My blender, for sure. I use my toaster oven a lot too, but my blender and immersion blender, they're on the top. Like my food processor, I pull out every now and again, but these are the ones I use day to day, week to week. And the immersion blender is so great because if you're doing soups, especially this time of year, pureed squash soup, any kind of pureed bean soup, you want to use this rather than transferring the soup to your blender, which is not a good idea to blend really hot anyhow. It can make it pop, but using the stick blender in your soup to puree is the easiest thing, and I use mine all the time. And I'm telling you, I've had other immersion blenders, and trying this one and working with it, it is the easiest to detach. Some of them, I had one where it was like a struggle to pull off the actual wand. So easy. It blends beautifully. The power button and intensity is really easy to access when you're blending, like just with the touch of a finger, so easy to access. Always unplug it before you remove the wand, okay? So please be mindful of the blade. And then the brilliance of design. Usually when you get an immersion blender, they give you a cup, right, to blend a dressing in, or a pudding, or a smoothie. They give you the cup plus, thank you, Vitamix, a lid. If you're making a smoothie, you can take it on the go. And today I made, because I just wanted to show you, my house dressing from Dreena's Kind Kitchen. Here it is here. I have a whole chapter on oil-free dressings in this book, and this one's on my site. So after we're done here, you can get the recipe for that. So here's what's really neat about an immersion blender and this pro system that they have with the stick and the mini food processor is you can blend anything that you would do in the blender. So, but especially things like smoothies, puddings, soups, sauces, dressings. And then the mini processor, I use so much for just quick chops of things. Like today, I did a little bit of fresh herbs in there. So now, rather than blending the fresh herbs into the dressing and making the dressing green, we can just add a little bit of the fresh herbs and mix it in. And it looks so nice. Like it's just so pretty then. You just swish it in, mix it in, and then you have the little flecks of green in your dressing rather than it turning green, which is okay too. The mini processor, I use it for small purees of banana all the time to make my oat bundles. I have a recipe in Kind Kitchen that I make a lot too. What do I call those? I forget my recipe names. Oh, top of the muffin to you. Top of the muffin to you. And I use it a lot to make vegan parms, you know, to blend nuts and just put a little salt in there and lemon zest and just pulse up the nuts. I find this better to use than a blender because a blender can make it too sticky. So that was a whole long video because I had to share the exciting benefits of using an immersion blender, how brilliant it is to have the mini processor, and how even more brilliant it is to have a lid for your blend. So to enter this giveaway, comment blend to get your entry in. And if you want the dressing, comment dressing, and we'll also send that to you. And then hop over to Vitamix, give them a like to thank them for, it's also part of the giveaway or part of the entry, to thank them for offering this prize again this year. And we'll also send you the link to Vitamix so you can go check out the immersion blender for yourself. Okay, so once again, thank you, Vitamix, and good luck, guys.